Hello kids, welcome back to Math Grade 5. In this video, you are going to learn about division of fractions. So, what is division of fraction? What is 4 divided by 1/2? So, it means how many 1/2s in 4? If I have 4 pizzas here, how many 1/2 pizza in 4 pizza? So I have to prove it how many 1/2 pizza in 4 pizza by slicing each pizza into 2 equal parts. So if I slice each pizza into 2 equal parts like this, I will get 8 1/2 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get 8 1/2 pizzas. So we say that 4 divided by 1/2 equals 8. If I do the division of fractions in mathematical statement, 4 divided by 1/2 equals 4. And then the second fraction, you have to change it into its reciprocal. Reciprocal in bahasa kebalikan. So, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So, you flip the second fraction. And the division symbol becomes the multiplication symbol. So 4 divided by 1/2 equals 4 times 2 over 1. Equals 4 over 1 times 2 over 1 equals 8 over 1 equals 8. So we get 4 divided by 1/2 equals 8. From the previous example, we need 2 steps to solve the division of fractions. For example here, 2/3 divided by 1/5. What is 2/3 divided by 1/5? So step 1, you have to flip the second fraction, or you have to find the reciprocal of 1/5. So 1/5 becomes 5 over 1. And then step 2, multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. It means you have to multiply 2 over 3 by 5 over 1. And then we do the multiplication. 2 over 3 times 5 over 1 equals 10 over 3 equals 3 and 1/3. So division of fractions means we multiply first fractions by the reciprocal of the second fraction. For example, what is 4 and 1/5 divided by 2 over 15? 4 and 1/5 is a mixed number. So you have to change mixed number into improper fraction. Like multiplication of fraction, in division of fraction, you have to change mixed number into improper fraction. So 4 and 1/5 we change to 21 over 5. 21 over 5 divided by 2 over 15 equals 21 over 5 times 15 over 2. You have to flip the second fraction. You have to flip 2 over 15. So the reciprocal of 2 over 15 is 15 over 2. And the division symbol we change into multiplication symbol. To solve this multiplication fractions, we can use cross-canceling. Here, 5 and 15. 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and 15 also divided by 5 equals 3. And then numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator equals 21 times 3 is 63, and 1 times 2 is 2. So the result is 63 over 2 equals 31 and 1/2. Next example. What is 1 and 2/3 divided by 2? 1 and 2/3 is a mixed number, so you have to change into improper fraction. 1 and 2/3 equals 5 over 3. So 5 over 3 divided by 2. You flip 2 becomes 1 over 2. And division becomes multiplication. So 5 over 3 divided by 2 equals 5 over 3 times 1/2 equals 5 over 6. Now let's see the next example. What is 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/8? So 1 and 1/8 is a mixed number, so you have to change 1 and 1/8 into improper fraction. 1 and 1/8 equals 9 over 8. So we rewrite the fractions or the division equals 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 8. Now let's flip 9 over 8 into its reciprocal is 8 over 9. So 3 over 4 times 8 over 9. Division symbol becomes multiplication symbol. And 9 over 8 is the second fraction, becomes its reciprocal is 8 over 9. We can solve this multiplication using cross-canceling. Let's see here 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And now let's see 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 also equals 3. So 1 times 2 over 1 times 3 equals 2 over 3. So we get the answer 2 over 3. Now let's see another example. What is 1 and 1/2 divided by 3 and 2 over 5? Both fractions here are the mixed number. So we change both of them into improper fraction. 1 and 1/2 becomes 3 over 2. 3 and 2/5 becomes 17 over 5. Now let's rewrite the division. 1 and 1/2 divided by 3 and 2 over 5 equals 3 over 2 divided by 17 over 5. Let's flip the second fraction into its reciprocal. And division symbol becomes multiplication symbol. So 3 over 2 divided by 17 over 5 equals 3 over 2 times 5 over 17. And then we do the multiplication, numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. We cannot use cross-canceling here. So 3 times 5 equals 15 over 2 times 17 equals 34. So we get the answer 15 over 34. How about division of 3 fractions? In division of 3 fractions, we use the same method as division of 2 fractions. Let's see here, what is 1/4 divided by 1/2 divided by 4/5? So, we flip the second and the third fractions into their reciprocal. and then we change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Remember, the first fraction stays the same. So 1/4 divided by 1/2 divided by 4/5 equals 1/4 times 2/1 times 5/4. We do the multiplication, numerator times numerator times numerator, over denominator times denominator times denominator. So we get the result 10/16. And we simplify the answer equals 5/8. Okay kids, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you in dividing fractions with problems. Goodbye.